A good maintenance program is the key to extending compressor life. This video will help ensure that a successful prescribed maintenance schedule is followed for the Reliant RS45. Warning: before performing any maintenance, turn off the machine, relieve all system pressure, make sure the hydraulic supply lines are turned off, and lock out all power as per the safety instructions located in the RS45 product manual. If the machine is hot, allow the machine to cool down before removing any panel or parts. Note: if working in dusty or dirty conditions, it's recommended to increase your prescribed maintenance frequency for compressor oil changes and compressor filter servicing. The routine maintenance schedule is located in Section 5 of the RS45 product manual. Here you'll find some key task and action items that you should perform in keeping your RS45 running smoothly. Please refer to this part of the manual for additional information. Warning: be sure the RS45 and all supply connections are completely turned off. Remove the screw from the coupling cover and slide the cover away from the compressor unit to access the drive coupling assembly. Inspect the coupler for excess wear. Check for bores in the coupling to make sure that they are free of burrs, dirt, and grit. Make sure there are no excessive gaps. If these visual inspections of the coupling pose an operating hazard, refer to your operation manual or please consult Van Air's service department for further assistance. Dirt and other foreign matter can be introduced into the compressor system through the air intake. With the compressor turned off, clean and inspect the compressor's air intake filter. Unscrew the wing nut and remove it, along with the washer. Pull the housing cover upward to disengage it from the housing base. Replace if the membrane is worn, contains tears or pinholes, or if the filter is damaged. Discard the worn filter under proper refuse law. The air filter is serviced at 500-hour service intervals, annually, or if prompted by the control panel indicator. Change the air filter more often during extreme ambient operating conditions. At the 500-hour or annual intervals, replace the air filter regardless of condition. Note: if cleaning, do not tear the filter membrane. For air inlet service or replacement, consult the Van Air service department. Replace the separator element. The spin-on separator element is included with the 500-hour full service kit, part number 1359. Coat the surface of the sealing ring on the coalescer filter element with compressor oil before mounting into place. The compressor oil is the key to a long, useful life of the air compressor system. Note: a clean compressor filter will ensure that the compressor is protected. Before changing this filter, refer to the key 7 in the routine maintenance schedule of the product manual for the compressor draining procedures. After draining the compressor of oil, change the compressor oil filter and discard the worn filter under proper refuge law. Inspect the exterior of the front-mounted oil cooler. To do this, you may want to take off the sound attenuation cone on the side of the RS45. Remove the 6 side screws and then the 3 bolts at the bottom of the cone. Remove the cone. Making sure the compressor is off, clear away any debris from the cooler cores both within the enclosure and on the exterior. Clean if necessary. If the core becomes clogged, use a low-pressure auxiliary air source to blow through the fins from inside the canopy to clean it out. The fan may need to be removed from the shroud in order to reach parts of the core. Do not use high-pressure air or a pressure washer. With the compressor off, ensure the vehicle is situated on a level surface. Check the compressor oil level. At the sight glass, the optimum level lies between 1/4 and 3/4 intervals of the visible glass area. Your compressor oil fill is located here and can hold approximately 4 quarts. Warning: when opening the cap, there may be some air pressure in the sump. In order to remove any residual air, first crack the fill cap slightly until the vent groove shows above the thread line of the cap for a few seconds. This will bleed any remaining air pressure to the atmosphere. Fill if necessary using Vanair's synthetic rotary screw oil, part number 264626. Visually note any leaks or evidence of leaks around the compressor unit and hose connections. Check for any leaks or loose bolts. Tighten if necessary. Start the compressor and allow to warm up. Check the pressure reading for correct operating pressure and verify that the levels are all within their recommended ranges. Shut down the machine and confirm that the levels continue to read at their proper operating levels. Tighten any loose connection points where needed and repair or replace any damaged part after you shut off the compressor and allowed it to cool down. Restart the compressor to confirm, if necessary, that all repairs are complete and there are no more leaks. Restart the machine and inspect the ventilation openings. Ensure openings are not blocked or clogged with debris. After you have shut off the compressor and allowed it to cool down, clear any congestion from the machine ventilation areas before operating the machine. Performing these tasks and necessary maintenance steps will help ensure your Vanair's product's longevity and performance. For more information on the prescribed maintenance for the Reliant RS45, please refer to your product manual, our website, or contact Vanair at 1-800-526-8817.